Stuart here with PrettyPerfectStudio.etsy.com or PrettyPerfectStudio.com, coming at you with another unboxing video. We have a smaller framed item that we got just for a sample from our print supply company, and we wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you so you can see the durability of our packaging. One of the reasons why we went with our print partner is because they care about the way our products are delivered and that they don't get messed up in transit. That's important to us, and we know it's going to be important to you as well. One of the things you're going to notice when you wonder, hey, is this coming from PrettyPerfectStudio.com? Let's just do another zoom in here, and you can see every time it's going to say PrettyPerfectStudio.com, so you can see where it's coming. Another thing I love here, they really want to make sure that the boxes do not get open. So we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Let's cut all that stuff away. And now, one of my favorite parts I've mentioned in a couple of other videos is the fact that they wrap this in plastic so that if any condensation happens, if you're away from your home and your package gets delivered, you don't have to sit and worry about that getting messed up with water, rain, anything like that. It's going to be protected for you, so when you get it, it's going to be nice and dry. So we'll take that off. Look at this. This is Vincent Van Gogh, one of his famous quotes here, with a nice pre-1900s art drawing right there that we had to go ahead and bring back to life, so we put that on there for you. Let's take a close-up here so you can see the detailed quality. And you can see that there's going to be no sagging here. Nice tight corners. On the back, you're going to have the hardware to go ahead and hang your product. So you're good to go, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Support at PrettyPerfectStudio.com or send us a message here on Etsy. We'll reply back generally within 1 to 2 hours and go ahead and answer any of your questions. With that being said, you guys make it a great day. We look forward to hearing from you.